Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw money from M1 Finance, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money from M1 Finance, start by opening the M1 Finance app or visiting their website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Invest tab, which is typically located on the left side of the screen. Click on the Invest tab to reveal more options. From the available options, select Withdraw. You will see your available cash balance displayed. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to review the minimum withdrawal limits, if any, applicable to your account. After entering the amount, select your preferred withdrawal method. M1 Finance usually offers bank transfers as a standard option. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do so at this stage. Follow the prompts to link your bank account if necessary. Confirm the withdrawal details on the screen. Double-check that the correct amount and bank account are selected. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button. Your withdrawal request will now be processed. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Activity section of the app. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to M1 Finance customer support for assistance. This concludes the withdrawal process on M1 Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.